The video captures a critical warehouse incident where a worker narrowly escapes injury after a massive stack of heavy bags collapses. This event stems from an unstable arrangement that triggers a dangerous domino effect, sending heavy loads crashing down toward the individual. It serves as a stark warning about the necessity of proper stacking techniques and maintaining a safe distance from high-risk zones to prevent such accidents. Loads must be secured on level surfaces and kept within safe height limits to ensure stability. Ultimately, workplace safety requires constant situational awareness and identifying potential fall zones at all times. This footage captures a serious industrial accident involving a high-speed warping machine in a textile facility. While making adjustments near the rotating axis, a worker's clothing or limb became entangled, quickly pulling them into the machinery. Due to immense mechanical force, colleagues acted fast to cut the power and provide aid, highlighting the extreme hazards of industrial equipment. This event underscores the need for strict adherence to OSHA standards. Key prevention steps include wearing form-fitting PPE to avoid entanglement, maintaining safe clearance zones with physical barriers, and ensuring comprehensive training to recognize pinch points. Additionally, accessible emergency stop buttons are vital. Ultimately, workplace safety is a fundamental commitment to protecting every team member's well-being. This video documents a serious workplace safety incident involving a technician whose arm becomes entangled in a high-speed rotating lathe. This dangerous situation occurs during a brief lapse in concentration while the worker handles materials near active machinery. The footage highlights the immense risks of industrial equipment, showing how a routine task can quickly escalate into a life-threatening emergency. It serves as a vital warning for all personnel to maintain absolute focus, avoid loose clothing, and always ensure proper machine guarding is in place. Constant vigilance are essential to preventing industrial accidents and ensuring everyone returns home safely. In this video, we can see a woman climbing a ladder to adjust something. Everything seems fine, but there's a problem. The ladder lacks a stabilizing bar in the middle. It also doesn't have the anti-slip protection, making it even more unstable. As she reaches the top, the inevitable happens. The ladder collapses outward and she falls. Fortunately, she was fine and had no injuries.